Here I want to show you how to properly treat and clean a stain using your Bissell little green machine or the Spotclean Petpro. It is the same. Now it's more about the stain and how you actually treat the stain, not the machine you're using. So today I'm using the Spot and Stain by Bissell. I love the way this stuff smells, but whatever carpet cleaner you're using, you want to put it in your machine, mix it per the directions, so you've got your solution. The first thing that you want to do is spray it onto the area or the stain. So let's do that. Now I turn off the machine, and the reason I do this is because I want to get the cleaner actually into the fibers of the carpet and let it start doing its job. So I can go one way, so I'll go vertical here on the stain, then I can go horizontal, and then I want to go in circular motions. And this is to ensure that I'm getting each side of the carpet fiber with that cleaner to really let it get into the carpet and do its job, right? It's trying to break down whatever that stain may be and just get in there and actually clean the carpet. So you actually have to let it do it. Then I'm going to go again, spray the area again, and do that one more time. You saw there, that was quite a bit of solution. I wasn't shy with it. I really want to get this stain up. Now, depending on the stain, you may need to let it soak for a while after this as well. So for this was a coffee stain. I'm going to let this soak here for 10 minutes. Then I'll come back, I'll spray it again, I'll scrub it again. And that's when I'll really start using the suction of the carpet cleaner here to really suck up any of the excess standing water there. Now you don't want to just completely soil it and basically dump everything on there, but you want to make sure you get enough into the carpet to actually let it get in there, do its job, let it sit for a little bit, really start to break down that stain, then come back, spray it some more, and really suck up all of the excess water. And that is really going to help clear up your stains. So that's how you really use these carpet cleaners. Use whatever spot and stain cleaner that you're using. Some of them are spray-on. Spray it onto the stain, let it sit for a couple minutes, then get back at it and really start scrubbing it. So hopefully that helps. I've got more tutorials on how to use these machines. I really do like the Bissell products, these carpet cleaners. They work fantastic, especially for little spills, pets, kids, all that kind of stuff. So you can check those videos out next. Again, my name is Drew. If you like DIY around the house, please feel free to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.